Good job. Put it on your head some more. Put it on again. Can you do it? Good job. Put it on. Good job. Try it again. Try it again. Can Mama help? Oh, good job. Good job, Toby. Can Mama help? Can Mama help, sweetie? Oh, you don't look too happy about that, huh? You know you can almost do it, but not quite. I think you did a great job. There we go. Look at you! We'll have to take the tag off, too. Yay. Say bye-bye again.
Baba.
Bye-bye. Great stuff from Grandma. Thank you. Bye-bye.